Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about adverse possession, and the head note that we are going to discuss is claim of two elements enumerated. The possession of defendant become adverse to plaintiff. The defendant must continue to remain in possession for a period of 12 years thereafter, which is explained in the case of Vidya Shanker versus Suresh Chandra 2020, Volume 2, ARC 656. So let's first understand what is adverse possession, and it is been said that it is the legal rule that says if someone occupies the land that isn't legally theirs openly and continuously for a long enough time, that they can eventually become the legal owner even though they never bought it or inherited it. The original owner effectively loses their right to reclaim it because they sat on their rights for too long. Two things that must be proven. The first one, the possession must turn adverse. It means like at some point the person occupying the land stops accepting the true owner's title and starts treating the property as if it were their own against the owner's interest. This is the moment the clock starts ticking. And the second thing which is to be proven is must continue uninterrupted for 12 years. The person has to stay in possession openly and continuously for a full 12-year period. If the true owner kicks them out or interrupts this at any point, the clock resets. Why 12 years matters? Under the Limitation Act, an owner generally has 12 years to file a suit to recover their possession of immovable property. If they don't act within that window while someone else is openly possessing it as if their own, the law eventually favors the person in possession over the original owner. Now, in this particular case that we are discussing, Vidya Shankar versus Suresh Chandra 2020, the court in this case reaffirmed exactly these two ingredients as the test for a plea of adverse possession to succeed. That both conditions must be pleaded and proven, just as one. One simple example that will help you understand it better. Imagine someone quietly starts using your empty backyard for 12 plus years openly, like it's their own, and you never object or take any legal action. After 12 years, the law says you had your chance to object and you did not. So you lose your right to claim it back and they become the recognized owner.